Hello students, last video we talk about division. Okay, I told you the properties of division. What are the important words we have used in the division? Okay, so division. I told you the properties of division. That today some of you not understanding that video. They have told me. Okay, now I will tell you simply. A simple example. Division is nothing but I told you is a continuous subtraction. Okay, don't worried about that. It's nothing but I will tell you a simple example. See, if you have 10 chocolate, okay, if you have 10 chocolate, you have 5 friends. Okay, you have 5 friends. So you have to 10 chocolate. You have to give it to your friends. So how will you give for 5 friends? So each 2. So 5 into 2, 10 chocolate. So this is a division. Division is nothing but how much you have chocolate you are giving to just distribute to your friends for equal sharing. Okay, equal sharing. Sometimes it will come equal sharing. Sometimes it will come some extra. So we want to find out the sharing of each person. This is the division. So let me see this example here. Um, the cost of one t-shirt, they have given one t-shirt cost 216 rupees. Okay, sorry, yes, sure. Then total t-shirt 216 two t-shirt, total cost is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So 3 lakh 35,232 rupees. 216 t-shirt, total cost is 3 lakh 35,232. Now we want to find out one t-shirt cost, one shirt cost. How to find out? So this kind of sums, if comes, you have to do divide. It means same. You have 216 shirt. Okay. Then total cost you know. If you are going to purchase a t-shirt, some shop, they give total bill amount. So you have to take the t-shirt. You have to sell it to your shop. So what you will do? You have to calculate the one t-shirt cost. Then you have to keep some amount for your profit. Okay, you go to purchase some t-shirt, Mumbai or Delhi, anywhere. You go to and purchase some t-shirt for bulk order. Okay, for 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 30, 3 lakh. Okay, once you purchase, you came on your area, you will sell the t-shirt. So you need to know in each single t-shirt cost. Then only you can put some extra amount for your charges, your profit. Okay, so that purpose, this kind of situation you need to know division sum. Okay, now let me see the division, how to find out the single t-shirt cost. Okay, shirt cost, how to find out? Please see. Now I will write the big number. It means it's a dividend. Okay, dividend, na, dividend. So 3 3 5 2 3 2. So dividend, it's a divisor, 216. Okay, it's a dividend, it's a divisor. So now see, I want to find out 216 how many times divide this 335. First I will take 3 digit number. Okay, here 3 digit number, here also 3 digit. I will take 3 digit number. How many times we can divide? So 216. Yes, if I multiply 2 times, 2 into 216, 432 will come. But here 335. So one time we can divide. So 216 is 216. Okay, 216 is 216. Sorry. One time we can divide. So 216 into 1, so 216. Now we have to subtract. So 5 minus 6, 1. Sorry, 5 minus 6 we cannot subtract. we have to borrow nearby number. So here happened 2, here 1. So 15 minus 6, we get 9. Okay, so 9 is the remainder. Now here 2 minus 1, we get 1. So 3 minus 2, 1. This is the final, it's a remainder. Now we have to get down the remaining number. Now we will take 2. Okay, now we want to divide. How many times we can divide 216 into this number? Okay, 1 time, 2, 3 times. I will check 5 times. Okay, 216. Sorry. 216 into 5 times. I will check. So 6 5s are 30. Remainder 3. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 3 8. 5 2s are 10. So 1080. So 5 times we can divide because 1192. If I multiply 6 times, it goes upon this number. So we can divide 5 times. So 5 into 216, 1080. Now we subtract. Okay. So 2 minus 0, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. So here 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. So now we have to divide. Here we taken. Now we have to take here 3. So we have to divide again. How many times we can divide? I think same. 5 into 216. 5 into 216, 1080. So we have to divide, subtract. Okay. So 3 minus 0, 3. 2 minus 8, we cannot subtract. So we have to borrow here. Here 0, here 1, 12. So 12 minus 8, 4. So here 0, 0. Here 1, 1, 0. So sub 0. Now we have to put down this 2. So 432. So we will multiply. How many times we can divide? We will try it 2 times. So 216 into 2. 6 2s are 8. So 12. 12. Remainder 1. 2 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 3. 2 2s are 4. So 432. So how many times? 2 times. So 2 into 216, 432. So remainder 0. So quotient is, it's a quotient, na? Quotient, quotient. So 1552. It's a single shirt cost. Now we got it. See, I purchased 216 shirt. From this cost 3,35,232. Okay, it's a total cost. I want to find out the single shirt cost. So it's a 1,552 is a single t-shirt cost. Okay, so what you will do? You find a single shirt cost. Now we want to sell because we purchased a bulk from other shop. Now we want to sell. So we have to we want to see some profit because we want to sell for our living purpose. Na? So what you will do, you will keep some extra amount, 1,552. So you have to charge transport charges, then your shop rental, electricity bill, the people cost. So you have to give some amount, whatever you will keep, then you can sell it. So in your real life, you can also use this kind of division. Okay.